In what ways can you make $100 a day online? Hello guys, it's Crazy Champ again. How can you make $100 per day online? The very best possible way to make $100 in a day online is social media. I will show you a method on how can you make that amount of money on social media. This method doesn't require any money or special skills. It's applicable on both Twitter and Instagram. All you have to do is to make an account on Instagram or Twitter and set up your profile so people know that you are a real person. And then choose a niche for your account. I recommend you to make an account about the quotes, motivational, sad or happy. And don't forget to put a beautiful girl in the profile. And then prepare your posts for at least 1 month. Schedule them by the programs like Hootsuite, Crowdfire, and there are many other programs that can schedule posts. After that, the easy and the fun part begins. The follow and unfollow process will begin. To avoid being blocked, follow my method. For the first 3 days, you have to follow 50 people for each day. Then rest for 1 day and start to follow 100 people a day for the next 5 days. Then rest for another day and start to unfollow 300 people by the next day. Then rest for 1 day. After that, start to follow 200 people for 5 next days. After that, rest for 1 day and start to unfollow 700 people by the next day. Then rest for a day and start to repeat the last step. Follow 200 people for 5 days, rest 1 day and start to unfollow 700 people in a day, rest for another day and start to follow 200 people by the next 5 days. Do this till you get 5k followers. After you got more than 5,000 followers, now the banking part comes in. When you have a good number of followers, there are many ways that you can make money with. The best and the popular one is to sell shutouts. Mean you will shut out people for an amount of money. The more followers you have, the more money you get per shutout. There are many places where you can sell shutouts. The most popular are FameBit and Grapevine. With this site, you can send proposal to the companies and brands to shut out them for money. There are other places when you don't need to send proposal to the people. People will come and find you and they will ask you for shutout in exchange of money. The most popular places are Shoutcart, Buy Sell Shutouts, and Fiverr. To make around $100 in a day, you need to reach your follower number to 10,000 and above. You can get even more money if you have a good fan base. The more followers you have, the more money you can get. There are some other ways that you can make money with your account. You can promote the other company's products, and you can sell your own products on your account. You can even sell your account. Hope that sheds some light on some ways on how to make $100 a day. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for upcoming videos. If you know any other way on how to make money on social media, please leave it in the comment. Goodbye.